have to construct acute angle 60 degree and we have to construct its angle bisector. Student, in my previous video you have seen same acute angle of 60 degree from right hand side. Now you will see from left hand side. The first step is to make a line segment of your choice. I am taking 8 cm or 10. You can take 8 or 10, up to you. Right now I am marking 2 points. First point is here, point A, and this is point B. So I am joining them with a straight line. This is A and this is B. I am giving its measurement as well, 10 cm. As we have to construct angle of 60 degree, so this time we have to draw from left side. So what we are going to do, we are taking this point. So take your protractor and keep it center here. Right now we are taking this line segment. Have a look. This is dot or the center. Keep as it is 0 or plus sign in your protractor, and then you have to hide it and you have to see, as we are reading this line segment we are taking, so we have to read this 0 from wherever you are starting. Then you have to use its 0, 0, 10, 20. So we are reading which scale? Outer scale. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 degree. So hold your protractor tightly, and from this scale 60 degrees coming here. Put a dot and remove it. Now student, we have to join with the scale and join these 2 points with the straight line and join them. Now we have to construct its angle bisector. We need to use pair of compasses. Now I am using color pencil, but you have to use normal regular pencil, right? So that you can easily see arcs. Now students, as we have to draw from left side, so you have to see, you have to take B as a center and keep this pointed leg here, and now it is half, so less than half. You have to open your compass leg less than half and make an arc here and here. 2 arcs are done. Now with the help of previous arc we have to make another arc here, and from the second arc you have to make another arc which cuts or intersect the previous arc, and then you have to remove it. After that you have to put a dot here at point of intersection. You can give its name A, B, it is C. In this point I am giving name D, this point I am giving name E, and this point I am giving the name F, point of intersection. The next step is to join this point B with point of intersection F, the name that you have given, and with the help of a straight line you have to join them and remove it. Now as we have to draw angle bisector of 60 degree, so we have to measure it now. We have to keep our protractor once again here and see the center, and then you have to hide it and then hold it tightly, and then after gripping this you have to see this line segment we are reading. So we have to use this scale. Which one? Outer scale. 0, 10, 20, it is 30 and it is already 60 degree. So the half of 60 degree we have now 30 degree. 30 degree. Student, this is the way how to construct an acute angle from left side. So our angle bisector is 30 degree. I hope you have understood this way of construction and you will use in your exercise questions.